Hello students, welcome on my YouTube channel SK Mr. Chemistry Classes. Today's we are going to start it some multiple choice questions, some important multiple choice questions of unit first, some basic concept of chemistry. If you have not subscribed my channel, then subscribe my channel and press bell icon for latest notification. Now we started. Today's first question is, which of the following weight least? Which of the following weighs least 1 gram mole of carbon dioxide, 0.1 mole of sucrose? Third option is 1 gram atom of calcium. Fourth one is 1.5 mole of water. Now the correct answer, now we solve. Weight of, we know that number of moles n equal to weight of substance upon molar mass. Now this question we want to calculate the weight of the substance, that is CO2. N equal to 2 gram. Weight of CO2 want to calculate, and molecular weight of carbon dioxide is 44. Now W equal to 88. Now weight of 2 gram mole of carbon dioxide equal to 88. Similarly, we calculate 0.1 mole of sucrose, molecular weight of sucrose. First of all, we know the molecular formula of the sucrose, C12H22O11, and the molecular weight equal to atomic weight of carbon equal to 12, that is 12 multiply by 12 plus atomic weight of hydrogen equal to 1, that is 1 into 22 plus atomic weight of oxygen is 16, that is 11 into 16. On solving we get molecular weight of sucrose becomes 342. Okay, now 0.1 mole of sucrose, the weight of the 0.1 mole of sucrose equal to weight equal to n into molar mass, n equal to 0.1. Molecular weight of sucrose is 342. Now we multiply it, we get 34.2 gram. The weight of 0.1 mole of sucrose is 34.2 gram. Third option is 1 gram atom of calcium. Gram atoms, gram molecules are also known as a represent to moles. Gram atomic, gram molecular represent number of moles. 1 gram atom of calcium, that is 1 mole of calcium. It represent 1 mole of calcium. Now atomic weight of calcium M equal to 40. Now W equal to N into M, 1 multiplied by 40, that is 40. Similarly, weight of 1.5 mole of water equal to molecular weight of water, that is formula of water is H2O. Now molecular weight of water M equal to 18. Weight of water equal to N into M, where N equal to 1.5 into 18. Now we multiply it, we get 27. 27 is the weight of 1.5 mole of water. Now the least weight, 1.5 mole of water has least weight, that is 27 gram. So the correct answer is answer number 4. Answer number 4 is the right answer, 1.5 mole of water. Okay. Next question, which of the following contains more molecules? Which of the following contains more molecules? If we want to calculate the number of molecules, we know Avogadro number. Avogadro number means a substance which contains 6.022 into 10 power 23 particles, atoms, molecules or ions. It is known as a Avogadro number. In 18 gram of water, number of molecules in 18 gram of water. Now we calculate number of particles or number of molecules equal to, we know the formula, N into Na, where N equal to W upon M into Na. In this question, in each option, weight of substance is given, weight of molecule is given. Now we calculate the number of moles, that is W upon M. Option number 1 is 18 gram of water. So number of molecules in 18 gram of water equal to, that is weight of water molecule 18, molecular weight of water molecule 18 into Na in 6.022 into 10 power 23. Similarly, 16 gram of dioxygen. 16 gram of dioxygen contains, 16 of dioxygen means that is 16 divided by weight of dioxygen 16, molecular weight of dioxygen 32 into Na, that is 1 by 2 Na या 0.5 Na. Option number 3, 4.4 gram of carbon dioxide. Now in 4.4 gram of carbon dioxide contains, that is 4.4 divided by 44, molecular weight of carbon dioxide is 44 into Na equal to 1 by 10, that is 0.1 Na. And last option is 32 gram of methane. 32 gram of methane contain number of molecules 32 divided by weight of methane is, molecular weight of methane 16 into Na. Now comparing, option number 1 have 18 gram of water, that is 1 Na. Option number 2, that is 0.5 Na. In option number 3, 1 by 10 Na. Option number 4, 2 Na. That is the maximum number of particles or molecules contain 32 gram of methane. Now correct answer is option number D is the correct answer. Next question, which one of the following contains more molecules? Same question hai, it is similarly as previous question, similar to previous questions. Now in comment box, all the students solve this question and gives the answer in comment box. Next question is, the number of atoms present in 0.1 mole of P4, that is white phosphorus, are number of atoms present in 0.1 moles of P4 atoms. P4, that is white phosphorus. We know the number of how we calculate the number of atoms. Number of atoms equal to number of moles into Avogadro number into number of atoms present in 1 mole of P4, that is here in P4 4 atoms. Now multiplied by 4, put the value n equal to 0.1, Na equal to 6.022 into 10 power 23, multiplied by 4. On calculate, we find 2.4 into 10 power 23 atoms. 2.4 into 10 power 23 atoms. Now the correct answer is option number A is the correct answer, that is 2.4 into 10 power 23. Now we are going to next question. 1 mole of methane contains, same question as previous, 1 mole of methane contains 6.02 into 10 power 23 atoms of hydrogen, 4 gram atoms of hydrogen, 1.81 gram 1.81 into 10 power 23 molecules of methane, 3 gram of carbon. Now we know number of moles N equal to W upon M. Okay, in this question, first of all we calculate weight of the methane. N equal to 1, molar weight equal to 16. Now weight equal to 1 into 16. Okay, I explain it again. 1 mole of methane contains 6.02 into 10 power 23 atoms of hydrogen. 1 mole of methane contains total number of methane molecules equal to 6.02 into 10 power 23 methane molecules. It is wrong. It contains 6.02 10 power 23 atoms of hydrogen. Now 1 mole of methane contains number of hydrogen equal to 6.022, 1 into 6.022 into number of atoms in 1 mole of hydrogen equal to 4. 6 4 is 2.24 into 10 power 23. Now the number of hydrogen atoms of 1 mole equal to 24 into 10 power 23. Now 3 gram of carbon atoms, number of carbon atoms equal to 1 into 6.022 into 1, because in methane molecule only 1 carbon mole and 4 hydrogen atoms. Next, 4 gram atoms of hydrogen. It is the right answer. 4 gram atoms, that is 4 mole of hydrogen. 1 mole of methane contains 1 atoms of carbon, that is 1 mole of carbon and 4 mole of hydrogen. Easy and conceptual question. The total number of in next question, the total number of atoms in 8.5 gram, total number of atoms in 8.5 gram in ammonia. Total number of atoms in 8.5 gram in ammonia. Now first of all we calculate the number of moles. Number of moles of ammonia equal to weight of ammonia, that is 8.5 upon molecular weight of ammonia. Molecular weight of ammonia equal to 14 plus 3 equal to 17, that is 0.5 mole. Now 0.5 mole of ammonia contains number of total number of hydrogen atoms equal to there is some correction in this question. The total number of atoms, that is hydrogen atoms. Total number of, calculate the total number of hydrogen atom in 8.5 gram of ammonia is, now number of moles of ammonia into Na into number of atoms in 1 mole of ammonia, that is NH3. Ammonia contain 1 nitrogen atom and 3 hydrogen atom, so we multiplied by 3. N equal to weight of ammonia, that is 8.5 divided by molecular weight of ammonia 17 into Na 6.022 into 10 power 23 multiplied by 3. On solving it, 0.5 multiplied 0.5 into 6.02 into 3, we get the answer 9.03 into 10 power 23 is the answer. Now next question is, the number of atoms of oxygen present in 11.2 liter of ozone at NTP. Here NTP should be in capital letters. NTP. So what is the meaning of NTP? NTP means normal temperature and pressure, that is 125 degrees Celsius temperature, 1 atmospheric pressure. You know well, any gas at NTP occupied 22.4 liter volume, that is volume of 1 mole of gas at NTP equal to 22.4 liter. Now in this question, the number of atoms of oxygen present in 11.2 liter of ozone at NTP. Now we calculate the number of molecules of O3 in 22.4 liter equal to 6.022 into 10 power 23. Okay. Now the number of molecules in 11.2 liter equal to 11.2 into 6.022 into 10 power 23 and divided by 22.4 liter, that is 1 by 0.5 into 6.022 into 10 power 23. Now total number of oxygen in O3 equal to 3. Total number of oxygen in O3 equal to 3, that is the number of oxygen atom equal to 0.5 into 6.022 into 10 power 23 and this is multiplied by 3. Now we get option, now we get the answer 9.03 into 10 की power 23. Now the correct answer is option number C is the correct option. There is some mistake in option number C. It should be 9.03 into 10 power 23. Okay. Now C is the correct answer. Next question is, the number of molecules present in 1 milliliter of water is. The number of molecules present in 1 milliliter of water is, we know that the number of molecules of any species at NTP contain 22.4 liter volume, that is 22.4 liter of water contains water molecules equal to 6.022 into 10 power 23. Similarly, that is in milliliter in 22,400 ml of water contains molecule equal to 6.022 into 10 power 23. In this question, we asked that number of molecules present in 1 milliliter of water. Now the number of atoms, the number of molecules in 1 milliliter of water equal to 6.022 into 10 power 23 and divided by 22,400. Now on solving we get the answer 2.69 into 10 power 29. 2.69 into 10 power 19. So the correct answer is option number C. Now next question is, 34.2 gram of sucrose are dissolved in ARER here 90 gram of water in a glass. The number of oxygen atom are. Okay, 34.2 gram of sucrose are dissolved in 90 gram of water in a glass, the total number of oxygen atom in the solution is. We know the total number of oxygen of 1 mole of sucrose equal to, we know the formula of the sucrose equal to C12H22O11, and the formula of water molecule equal to H2O. Now the total number of oxygen atom in both 11 in sucrose and 1 is water molecule, total 12. So first of all we calculate the number of oxygen atom in 34.2 gram of sucrose. So number of oxygen atom in 34.2 gram of sucrose equal to molecular weight of sucrose is 342, weight of sucrose divided by molecular weight of sucrose into Na, that is 6.022 into 11. In sucrose number of oxygen atom is 11. Now we solve. On solving we get 6.62 into 10 power 23. Similarly we calculate the number of oxygen atom in 90 gram of water. In 90 gram of water, number of oxygen atom equal to weight of water molecule upon molecular weight of water, H18 into 6.022 into 10 power 23 multiplied by, in H2O 1 oxygen is present, 18 5 is 90, that is 3.01 into 10 power 23. That is the number of oxygen atom in sucrose equal to 6.62 into 10 power 23, and in 90 gram of water equal to 3.0 into 10 power 24. Now we calculate. Now we add the total number of oxygen atom in sucrose and water. Now total number of oxygen equal to 0.62 into 10 power 24 plus 3.01 into 10 power 24, it is equal to 3.67 into 10 की power 24. Now the correct answer is 3.66 or 3.67 nearly. Correct answer is option number C is the correct answer, that is 3.66 into 10 power 24 oxygen atoms. I hope. In next video, in part 2nd, we will continue the objective type questions with full descriptions. I hope you like to my video, and thank you for watching my video.